Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the Multi-Lift Personal Transfer Lift System, shown for use with the Speedy Bar hinge adapter to lift you into the passenger front of a full-size Ford F-Series pickup truck. The Multi-Lift, as you may know, is a personal transfer lift system designed around the unique concept that one lift can solve all of your lifting and transferring problems. So the same multi-lift that you use to lift you into the front of this vehicle could also be used to lift a wheelchair into the rear of the same vehicle. But it doesn't stop there. You can use the multi-lift in your home to get you in and out of your bathtub, on and off of the toilet, in and out of bed, on a portable base called the Easy Base, in and out of your RV even in certain circumstances, SUVs, swimming pool, hot tub, boat, you name it, one lift can probably help you to do many things that you'd like to do in the course of your day. So how does it work? First, we place the Speedy Bar hinge adapter, no modification to your vehicle whatsoever, nothing bolted, nothing drilled, onto the hinge of the vehicle, and we make over 500 different Speedy Bars to get you in and out of whatever vehicle you like. Next, we're going to connect the multi-lift itself to the sling, which is how we're connecting to the user. Now the sling in this particular case is already in place, but it doesn't have to be. So you can put the sling on later on. It goes around the bottom and around the sides of the thighs, but you don't need to lift the user in order to be able to get the sling on. Next, we turn to face the interior. Once the feet clear the floorboard, we're going to swing into the vehicle and set right down on the seat. Now we make many different versions of the multi-lift, so we've got heavy-duty versions, we've got long versions. Basically, depending on what you're trying to do, we've probably got a version of the lift that's going to work for your needs. So once we go in, we're going to guide the user right up over the seat, let the lift do the work. Next step is to disconnect the sling, remove the lift, remove the Speedy Bar, tuck the sling away, and we're ready to hit the road. If you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited and our philosophy of providing you mobility the way that you want in the vehicle that you want, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on YouTube with over 4,000 videos at youtube.com/accessun. You can learn more about us, follow us on Twitter at accessun. We're on Instagram at Access Unlimited one word, Pinterest, Access Unlimited 2 words. Contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com. And of course, you can give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822, 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time in the United States, country code 1. Evenings and weekends until late are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about the multi-lift system. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.